In front of me is HONOR X5c Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Apps section available here. Don't worry, I tested it will work. Because now you can tap on Default Apps and manage all of those sections by clicking on the one you wanna, like Browser app, clicking on an app you wish to switch to, in this case Firefox, and simply going back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!